And today, I will be making a tutorial on how to solve the 4x4 Rubik's Cube. Now, it isn't much harder to solve than the 3x3. You just need to learn a couple new algorithms. But you will use these same algorithms as in a 3x3, which I will be posting sometime today later on. You can use the same algorithms basically at some point. The first thing I want to go over is the turns. Now front. If I say F, it means front turn. If it's an F, it's a front turn. It's 2 layers. It's I'll say double layer. If it's counterclockwise, I will say prime. Whatever one that is, I will say it with the prime in the end, like F prime. This is the front face. Ups face. Left. Right. Back. And downside. If you turn it twice, if I turn it twice, it will just say 180. First thing you need to do is solve these centers. And to do that, you just move it around. Try and make bars that are two cubies, using 2 cubies, which means cube pieces, attach together like this and solve the center. You have a piece. If you have just one piece missing from a center, and you have to mess up the centers, just from this way, turn one piece from that center that you're trying to match up, and over to the other part that you want to turn that way, and then put on the top or bottom, whichever way you have to get on, and then turn it back. Okay, and you do that continuously. So you have, and if it happens again, just basically do the same thing. Sometimes you might have this happen. 2 pieces separated like this, 2 pieces up here. You'd have to do you have to move it up to the center you want to match, then turn it to make a bar of 2. Move it back down, and then you just do the thing. Do what I did before. Sometimes you might have. Well, there's certain ways you're supposed to orientate the centers. Blue is supposed to be on the opposite of green. Yellow is supposed to be on the opposite of white, and red is supposed to be on the opposite of orange. Which these two are not opposites, so I just move the layer I want to move forward, away from the opposite color, and then I turn the side, the other piece I moved, turn that side 180 degrees. And then turn the layer you already used to move it out 180. Oh, wait. Yeah, and you bring it back again. On the last two centers, you just, like I already said with this and that, just do it regular way you usually do. When you have this, you just try to get it in the right position, or on the opposite side. Just move it up and of where you're supposed to. Like, move the one that's visible on this side up towards the opposite side. And there you go. You have the center solved. There you go. You have the center solved. Now, something that can happen sometimes is that you can have the centers orientated wrong. I mean, even though they can all be opposite. You see this corner that it doesn't match these two centers? The other one wouldn't match the other centers either, even though they're all opposite. So if you begin from this side, and usually I do yellow, red, blue. But as you can tell, it's red, yellow, blue. So I just move one of the layers on 180 degrees. Move two of the layer. Move two sides that have centers that are messed up. Two opposite sides, 180 degrees. Basically, just move these two layers at the same time, and do it again. And you will see that you have it fixed. Yellow, red, and blue. Always go this way. Go in a clockwise direction. That is part 1 of how to solve the 4x4 Rubik's Cube. Until then, I will see you all in my next part of the tutorial.